gives me an idea for a story. The year was 2020 when Australia's fires had begun. We'd already heard of the virus and knew it was no fun. It started in China, a land far away. We ignored it for long. After all, how long would it stay? People got very sick and scared, and going outside, no one dared, for the virus spread by ship and plane, ending up in Italy, France, and Spain. Cases rose and hospitals became crowded, all whilst some leaders denied it was as bad as it sounded. All of us knew we'd have to play our part. All of us would have to play it smart. We quarantined and distanced ourselves apart. We were separated from those dearest to our heart. Around and around the garden he went. Sir Major Tom showed us he was a gent. Raising funds for our beloved NHS. The heroes who deserve the very best. It was clear how hard they fought, so we were all united in our support. Around the country we all clapped as one, even our staff and families when all is said and done. that's a wrap. Thank you for watching our Celebration of Life display. We hope you enjoyed it and look forward to seeing you again for more Fantasy Island fun.